Amazing. I mean, if when I started Eucloid 3 years ago, if I was told that where I would be at the 3 year, I would have taken this every time.
When we started out at Eucloid, it was just an experiment, and we wanted to see whether we can make a dent in data in consulting space. But in past 3 years, we are working with multiple Fortune 100 customers. We are working with industry leaders, and we have solved several complex problems for them. So the 3 year journey has been full of great moments, full of growth, and full of pride as well. But we are also very grateful in terms of the kind of opportunities we have seen to drive the company forward.
It would be adventurous.
Progressive. Transformative.
Take risk.
I'll take calculated risks.
Dynamic.
Cohesive. Innovative.
Full of zeal.
Fun and amazing people.
Extraordinary. Very energetic.
My manager empowers me to grow and push boundaries and helps in building trust in oneself.
He is very supportive.
He pushes me out of my limit.
He's very supportive and he kind of helps you nurture your managerial skills. So he's a great mentor also.
The learning culture and the view from the office is really good. So I enjoy coming to office and spending some time on my personal learning.
I get to meet my friends and have a lunch with them.
It's about the unstructured nature of the work, and when you sort of structurize it and then come with those key pointers to go to businesses, that's what I enjoy.
It increases my decision-making skills.
Multitasking and time management. Ownership skills. Eucloid really pushes you to own the space you're working in.
Storytelling mode.
Forward-looking. Highly adaptable.
It's full of growth. Everybody is looking to grow and learn. Second is it's full of very positive attitude and can-do mindset among all the employees.
I would say it is innovation. We try to inculcate in our teams to do things in new way, in better ways. Always we push people to think how they can do it better.
Push yourself very high and drive towards the company's growth.
Don't settle for less. Always strive for better and the best.
If somebody can take up high degree of ownership in whatever work they are doing, whatever areas they are, I think they will have a long career ahead, not just in Eucloid, but in other areas as well. So that would be my advice to young people, is to own up a problem and solve it into it.
I would say this is inquisitiveness. Be very inquisitive about whatever you see in industry, in client organizations. If there are any processes there, any system is there, nothing exists in vacuum. There is a reason for everything to exist the way they exist. So if you have right inquisitiveness to find out, go deeper into things, that will also help you grow. I think it is domain expertise and zeal for innovation.
So one of the things I learned at Amazon was whatever you are doing, you need to have a very high degree of ownership so that you can drive the results completely. And at Eucloid, that's what our culture is all about, where we take clients' problems as our own problems and we take great degree of ownership and we solve them completely. So the future for us is going to be more and more of machine learning and AI-driven solutions. That is what the industry is moving towards. And we are already solving some of those problems for our current customers. Going forward, we'll see that becoming a bigger part of our portfolio.
I need not to tell all the buzz around AI and data we have nowadays with OpenAI, ChatGPT, everything. There is immense potential of the new solutions which can change the business processes, business solutions, and we are in thick of things. The way we are going forward, the kind of solutions we are developing, I can see only huge growth ahead.